Hello everybody. This Telstra Payphone is also a free Wi-Fi hotspot. So today I'm testing it with my iPad to see what download and upload speeds I can get. The first try gave me a download speed of 34.3 and the second try 35.2, both of which are very creditable speeds in my opinion. Uploads were 3.18 and 3.52 respectively. Thank you Telstra. Thanks for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Please click like and subscribe for more videos about snippets of life in and around the Mornington Peninsula. Thanks again for watching this video. I really appreciate it.